In the deep ocean, sound travels like whispers in a vast, echoing hall. A curious dolphin once asked a wise turtle, "How do we hear the songs of the sea?" The turtle replied, "Sound dances through water, faster than in air, weaving stories from afar." As the dolphin swam, it heard the distant call of a whale, a melody carried by the waves. "It's like magic," the dolphin marveled. "Indeed," the turtle chuckled. "Understanding sound is like unlocking the ocean's secrets." Inspired, the dolphin listened more closely, discovering a world of wonder beneath the waves.